firstly power on the device. Yeah. PoE power port with the device, one or LAN port, and the LAN port, PoE power LAN port connect with the computer. Then check the device 2 points. First one is the number, and the second one is the button. Yeah, button. If the switch button is the left side, okay, we can check the label. That means it is A. And now we will change the computer IPv4 address so that we can cross into software. Okay. Change. Okay. Here. Okay, please check this one. IPv4. And we need to change the IP address to static IP address. For the A side, we need to change it 192.168.255.105, and then click here, submit mask, and then confirm. Okay, confirm. Close. Okay, open. Then we can open the Google browser. Okay. Please check here. Yeah, please check the label. The IP address is 192.168.255. And for the number is 0. So here we will input the IP address. Sorry. 255.100. Okay, now we cross into this web. The username is admin, ADMIN. Okay. Password is same as ADMIN. Okay, login. Now we can change the device. Yeah. Change it to normal version, normal mode. When we change the normal mode, the device will be reboot. Yeah, will be reboot. Normal mode. Then the device will be changed. Okay. Please check here. The tube will be unavailable. Yeah, will unavailable, and the device can be reboot again. Yeah, reboot again. Okay, waiting for it boot up successfully now. Yeah, here. Okay, we can set the device, Wi-Fi name and password. Yeah, please note here. Because just now it boot up again, so we will log in again. Yeah, input username and password. Admin, ADMIN. Okay, login. Okay, now we can cross into wireless to start it. Please check it. Now it is AP, and the SID name is wireless. That means the Wi-Fi name. You can set it. And for this part, now it is authentication shows open. That means it is no Wi-Fi password. We can change it. Yeah, we can change it, such as like this one. Here has one default keyword. You can change it. Okay. Then you can use the device as a normal Wi-Fi router. Okay, now the device has finished the setting, and we can power out. Yeah, plug out for the connection with computer, and connect the internet cable. This is one internet cable into the LAN port. Then the device will get the internet. Okay. Okay, in the packing box here has another device. The switch button is right side. Yeah, we can change it. We can change it to left side. Then same setting method as above, and then it will become one normal Wi-Fi